Acupuncture is a very old Chinese medical style. In essence, acupuncture means stimulating certain particles of the biped body in rule to archive specific outputs. The procedure includes penetrating the skin with thin needles. Acupuncture is used for various reasons, from stimulating the fertility of women to pain relief and osteoarthritis. Nowadays, acupuncture stop smoking is a widely used practice that, according most who have tried it, gives very positive results. Subscribe to Natural Herbs channel. Click the bell icon below to get the notification for every new video upload. Also share and like the video with comments. If you are eager to try acupuncture stop smoking programs, first you need to be sure you have found a licensed acupuncture practitioner. Your doctor should be able to hand over you to a no-onions and experienced acupuncturist. You can also check up at the national acupuncture runnings such as the National Certification Commission for Acupuncture and Oriental Medicine (NCCAOM). The best option is to find a person who has proper medical cultivation, as he is likely to better assess your medical reputation and required treatment. After you have planted an acupuncturist, ask for references from previous cases. The usual places of your body where acupuncture will be done are your ears. The feeling is not painful and most people find it relaxing. Acupuncture is safe as long as useful needles are used. Of utmost denotation is the needles used to be decontaminated to avert impurities. Acupuncture stop smoking programs should result into reduced carvings and reduced level of withdrawal features. Some people fuse acupuncture sessions with hypnosis, as these two methods rendition really good cessation outcomes. Normally your acupuncturist will ask you diverse questions over your first flap. He will try to gain a full picture of your health, lifestyle, behavior and the desired final solutions. Based on the dossier provided, it is vital that you are honest and do not hide any medical complications you have had or currently have, as well as any treatments or medications you are taking. He will assess your condition and inform you how many sessions you will need. A good therapist will keep you informed about the progress you are making. Your acupuncture stop smoking lineup may be refined for a few days or continue for a couple of weeks. Subscribe to Natural Herbs channel. Click the bell icon below to get the notification for every new video upload. Also share and like the video with comments. Acupuncture prices may vary, but the good news is that, in most or the cases, it is integumented by your fitness strategy. If you are not sure about this, check with your insurance company. Today's alternative of acupuncture stop smoking systems is the laser treatment. It works on the same principle as acupuncture. Specific points of your body are stimulated with the use of a low-level laser. Thanks for watching.